Orlando Pirates get back to winning ways in the Betway Premiership match in a very entertaining match against Magesi Football Club at the Orlando Amstel Arena. This takes Orlando Pirates to 32 points. This 2-0 victory takes Orlando Pirates to 32 points, same amount of points as Mamelodi Sundowns. But Orlando Pirates moved to number 2 because of the goal difference. Before the start of this match, Orlando Pirates had dropped to position 4. This is after the Kaizer Chiefs victory midweek against Marumo Gallants, which had moved Kaizer Chiefs to 30 points above Orlando Pirates at the time, who were on 20